Windshield wiper. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Melanie. Nice to meet you. I'm hopping on this trend really late. As you guys are all aware that there's this trend going on YouTube called the I Tried Blank makeup tutorial. So basically you pick like a makeup guru's makeup tutorial video or anyone that you just try following their makeup tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna be following, if you haven't seen by the title and the thumbnail of the video, the queen herself, Adelaine Morin'S prom 2018 makeup tutorial, which I'm really excited about. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Now into makeup. I think dinner's ready. I think we have Chinese food. Sorry.
Before this, her video is basically about prom. So my prom happened 2 years ago, so I don't have to deal with that. So I'm gonna get all dolled up for my own prom here at home. In Adelaine's video, she does prom 2018 dress, makeup, and hair. But I don't need the dress, I don't need the hair, so I'm just gonna be doing the makeup. So we're gonna skip on to that. So yeah, she's going.
I gotta go. Chinese food! Yeah! Okay, wait.
Making me so hungry.
Alright, that was delightful. Back to business. I got all my makeup ready. We are not going to be thirsty on prom night. No, we are not. You know what else isn't gonna be thirsty? Our skin. We're gonna moisturize. It's so okay. I'm using my Lush Gorgeous Moisturizer.
I don't have that.
Beep, bop,
Bop, boop,
and you know what? We're not gonna be crusty either. So we're gonna moisturize our lips, grab a little bit of this, do a little
Wait, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet.
For blue.
I have the rose cell, but I just can't open it. I'm using the lip medics thing. It's just easier to open for me. Oh, I'm so weak.
My dog, my favorite primer ever. This is the
I have that.
Photo Finish Foundation Primer. One thing I know about this guy is that he is silicone based. I like to use silicone based primer with a silicone based foundation in it.
She's just putting that all over her face, getting her face prepped and ready for foundation. Fun fact, I don't really like foundation, but you know, for the sake of the video, I forgot what foundation it was, but I'm gonna be using the It Cosmetics CC Plus Your Skin But Better cream. So I'm gonna blend that out with my booty blender.
I know this is a little bit weird right now. My face is so much darker than my skin, but we're gonna be evening it out. Concealer, skirt. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, my favorite. If you think that you're the same shade,
Girl, you're going too quick. Wait, she's going too quick. Wait. I'm still not done my foundation. And she's using the Shape Tape concealer, but I don't have that.
The bridge of my nose, underneath my eyebrows, my chin, Cupid's bow, and we can clean up the contour soon. And then blend it away. I love this concealer. This concealer is gonna cover up every single exit you had in high school. Oh girl, it covers up everything. See, that's better. Quick tip. So I personally like using liquid concealer like this for underneath my eyes. Any highlighting.
Oh my god, they talk so loud. I think I put way too much. Yeah, this is way too much than usual.
Yeah, that's my quick tip if you want to cover up any pimples or anything like that. A pot concealer as opposed to a liquid concealer. Contour, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Dark
too
Chocolate
fast.
Soleil Bronze.
Shh, Adeline, please. Gotta miss it. Is it just me, or every time I do like around my eyes, I just end up like opening my mouth really weirdly? It's just a habit that I have. I have that.
Oh, this one's good. If you have a tan complexion like me and like hoola doesn't really work, this one is real good. And I'm using the NYX brush, 02 NYX brush, and I'm making the 3E. So I'm doing a 3 on this side and then an E on this side. And that's where I'm gonna be contouring. And then to clean up the contour, I told you we were gonna do this. We're getting a Shape Tape and
Please,
making
I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I love bronzer.
I like to do a line on either side, skirt, and then I like to contour right underneath, like a little arrow shape on my nose. So I'm literally just drawing an arrow. That's how I like to contour my nose. Everyone's nose is different. And then blender. Blush. I love this Wet n Wild one. It's in the color Mellow Wine.
We're at blush already. Wait, girl. I don't have the Wet n Wild one.
Everybody has those days. You know?
I'm gonna be using the Tartelette tiny one. It's in the shade Party.
I used to go a little bit overboard with the highlight, okay? At least I didn't admit my mistake. So we're not gonna go too crazy. I like this color on the next brush. It's like a fan brush. Right on top where my cheekbones are. Basically right over top of the blush. And then a little bit underneath my eyebrows over my red-nosed reindeer. And then a little bit on my bridge. And then my inner corners. Oh my gosh. Hello, glazed donut hoop. Sorry,
Me.
it's canceled. I love that highlighter so much. And it's a drugstore when you can just get it at Ulta. Then to make
I don't have that, so I'm gonna use a Hand Dandy 6 Plus.
I sounded like blue just then. Here is my favorite part. I know I thought a highlight was my favorite part, but girl, I tried for the first time yesterday doing a cut crease eye look.
What? We're gonna be doing a cut crease.
In your entire freaking life. And these are the colors that I wear every single day. I love the oranges, the warm tones, because I feel like I have brown eyes and the warm tones really enhance them and make them look a lot lighter. I don't know. Before we get started, okay? You don't need this tape dispenser, you just need the tape.
Before we get started, she's completely right. I'm obsessed with warm tones also. For like people who have poop color eyes like me, I like warm tones because they do help brighten them up a bit and they make them look a bit more whiter and more nice. So I want that palette. But I don't have those. But since I own a lot of warm tone palettes, except for one, Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills has it's kind of similar, but like the colors. So I'm gonna be using this palette and then a few from the Tartelette in the Bloom palette. So just pulling out tape.
I'm gonna get 2 pieces of tape. I'm gonna stick it on my hand first so that's not so sticky. I know that some people like to do from the edge of your eye to your eyebrow, but my eyebrows are kind of like weird. Starting off with a wild thing, and I'm just gonna be putting this in the
I'm still pulling the tape. Can't. I need a stand-up mirror. I don't. Yes, I'm wearing sweatpants. Okay, Mel, focus. I feel like I'm getting eyelash extensions done again. Using like an orangey color, so I'm gonna use an orangey color. And if Adeline's using an orangey color, then I have to wear an orangey color. I'm gonna use the Realgar.
And if you're doing your eyeshadow before you do your foundation or anything, make sure that you put a base under it. We already put the foundation as a base. I sometimes like to use a concealer as a base, but girl, whatever floats your boat, it'll make your makeup stay longer. And just to blend, I'm gonna take a little bit of Honey Spell. I know we should just before, but put that over top.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
I'm just doing windshield wiper.
I'm not done yet.
Do circular, but I like the windshield wiper. And make sure you got all the way into the inner corner, because for this cut crease, we need to have dimension. Now, with a different brush, I'm taking Heist, I don't really know, and I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner.
Right. I'm not done. We need dimension. We need dimension. Windshield wiper.
Okay, here's the fun part. I'm gonna be taking a Boing concealer. This is just like a pot concealer.
Wait, I'm not done. I use Love Letter because it's a bit of a purpley one and she was using a purpley one. Look at that. Tap off the excess. Oh yeah. Okay, cut crease time, which I'm gonna feel completely.
Last shader brush, and we're gonna be sculpting out the cut crease. So I like to line first and then fill it in, and I like to overline so it looks like I have really big eyelids. So I like to go a little bit above the actual crease of my eye, and I'm gonna try and do the same to the other eye. I wish I could just like copy and paste. Life would be so easy. Yeah, see right here? I just made a quarter circle shape. I stopped around halfway through my eye, and you can kind of like blend it. It looks okay right now, but hold on, look, this is what's gonna make a big difference. One thing that I found to make a big difference is get a shimmery eyeshadow.
Wait, I'm still focusing. Why am I tapping it like it's powder? Cut creases are hard. Okay, moving on.
Matte shimmery, so I'm
Matte
using
shimmery.
Inhale, and I'm putting it everywhere.
Matte shimmery. I'm gonna use
Beamer.
Beamer. Ooh, girl, you looking cute.
No, we're not done yet, ladies and gents. Okay, and
No, we're not.
Look at this. Oh, we're going there. We're going there with the glitter. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. And we're gonna be outlining the crease, or the cut crease. Oh my god. We just went from, oh, I like your makeup, girl, to god damn. Oh, girl, you were slaying. For real.
I'm not gonna be slaying because I don't have that. There's no failure in this channel, so we have to improvise, okay? We have to improvise. Yes, we have to. So I got the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. So there's one here at the very top called Chocolate Gold, and it's literally melted gold. Like, it's beautiful. Oh, this is so bad. I butchered the eye look.
Oh my god, it sounds like Maui. Oh yes, look, do you see that sharp, clean line? Yes, this is what we want. And then if you have any leftover eyeshadow on the brush, I would just put that underneath a pair of eyelashes, or you can get a bunch of them for $10 at Walmart.
I have those!
Eyelash glue.
So I have the Ardell Wispies also.
So I love the black one. I find that when I use the black one, it kind of looks like eyeliner. And also I find that when I use the clear one, you know, it says that it dries clear, but I can always see it. It's a fraud. It's a lie. I'm sorry.
Lashes are on. Finally. I don't have that. I have the roller lash by Benefit.
Blend the fake eyelashes with the real ones. Notice how I'm not really touching the top of the eyelashes with the mascara one, is because I feel like when you put mascara on the tips of the eyelashes, they look very chunky and clumpy, and we can't be doing that to our $25 Sephora eyelashes, you know what I'm saying? And I'm sorry, makeup by Samuel Who? I love the way this looks on the brows. Like having that ombre where it goes from light to dark, I love. And then to set the brows, I have my Tarte Double Duty Beauty.
You're going too fast.
You said it, girl.
They're not sisters, they're not twins, they're not even friends, they're like enemies.
Well, not necessary coloring in color, but you can go outside the lines. Your face
I ran out of my lip liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and...
I overline my cupid's bow and right in the middle of my lips, and I do normal lip lining on the outer parts. That way it looks like... I'm sorry for the mess. With our setting spray, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Move my hair out of the way first of all.
Fix Plus. We're done! So this is my makeup look. I did horrible with the gold. That's just the bad thing. So I tried to do the gold liner and then it just smudged completely. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please make sure to check out Adeline's YouTube video of this look. She obviously does it so much better. If you want to see more content like this, so like the I Tried series, which I think is pretty fun. I did the I Tried DIYs last week. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Make sure to also subscribe to this channel to see more of this face. I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. See you next week on my channel. Bye! Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. I do, like I do, I do, like I do, I do. I think that's good enough for today. Anyway, subscribe!